Samsung is gearing up to silence critics in the most elegant way imaginable. For years, the brand has faced criticism for producing foldable phones that appeared overly bulky. But this time, Samsung is redefining the foldable category with its next-gen Galaxy Z Fold 7. And it's more than just a refresh. It's poised to be a milestone release. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to be crowned the slimmest foldable smartphone ever made. Yes, you heard that right. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to measure just 3.9 mm when open and 8.9 mm when shut. These dimensions are not just eye-catching, they're groundbreaking. No competing foldable has achieved this ultra-thin design benchmark. For context, most mainstream foldables today still hover above the 11 mm mark when folded. But Samsung's Z Fold 7 looks set to redefine industrial design and smartphone engineering. This major leap comes from trusted tipster Ice Universe, known for his accurate track record. According to him, Samsung has finally mastered the challenge of creating a slim device without sacrificing core specifications. Despite the ultra-thin chassis, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to house a 4,400 mAh battery, quite commendable for a foldable flagship. To accomplish this, Samsung is reportedly implementing advanced battery materials and cutting-edge charging solutions in the Z Fold 7. Though full hardware details are still under wraps, it's evident the brand is prioritizing efficiency, smarter power use, and minimal bulk instead of oversized batteries. But the innovation doesn't end there. Samsung is using the same streamlined design approach for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 too. It's rumored to include a 4,300 mAh battery, a solid improvement over earlier models. This tidbit was uncovered in recent certification databases, indicating Samsung's goal to enhance battery longevity while keeping devices compact and featherlight. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are anticipated to launch by July 2025, just months away, and will be the first foldables by Samsung to debut with Android 16 and the new One UI 8.0 straight out of the box. Users can expect polished transitions, enhanced multitasking capabilities, and deeper integration with AI-powered features. Shifting focus to hardware, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is tipped to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite chip, Qualcomm's top-tier SoC for 2025, delivering lightning-fast speed. Perfect for gaming, multitasking, and leveraging AI-driven tools. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could chart a unique path. It's likely to be powered by Samsung's own Exynos 2500 processor, which is also in the limelight for its upgraded efficiency and graphical performance. The trend toward thinner and lighter devices isn't confined to foldables alone. Samsung appears to be applying the same minimalist vision to other upcoming devices. One such model is the Galaxy S25 Edge, expected to drop very soon, and it carries forward the same aesthetic philosophy. The S25 Edge is rumored to measure only 5.8 mm in thickness, placing it among the sleekest smartphones ever. A recent report on the Galaxy S25 Edge revealed even more compelling specs. The device could feature a 6.7-inch display, a dual-camera rear module combining 200MP and 12MP sensors, and a 12MP front-facing shooter. It'll be driven by the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite chip as the Z Fold 7, along with 12 GB of RAM and storage variants of 256 GB or 512 GB. The 3,900 mAh battery adds further evidence that Samsung is prioritizing slim design without compromising essential performance or battery capacity. One thing is clear, Samsung's 2025 playbook revolves around design finesse, optimized performance, and energy efficiency. The era of thick, heavy foldables is fading fast. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is proof that it's now possible to build a refined, high-performance foldable without compromising on power or battery life. With such ambitious upgrades launching in mere months, the pressure is now on the competition. Samsung isn't just